Okay, your Serapi rug. You see, all of this area needs to refill with wool.
عاشقم دیوونه بود بیقرارم بیقرار تو غمونه.
Hey, how are you? Okay, your Serapi is ready. We finished the washing process. Looks good. So, if you want, it will take like 4 or 5 months to do it. But we can rebuild the border. You see, there's no border here. It's been cut. We can rebuild it for you on both sides. Also here, you see, been cut. Original rebuilt. And then here we can put wool all the way inside. Full restoration. You see, it's everywhere, this rug. If you want to keep the value, somebody put color here, you see, it needs to be done original with wool. And the binding, it's possible to do it. You can see in the video I sent you, the Serapi.
فدای تو جای تو روی چشم من خوش قدمی همدمی دل من روشنه روی تو مثل ماه عشق تو سرپناهه عاشق تنها راه یه دل دارم که دل دار شمایی به این عاشق نکن.
Your antique Serapi. We rebuilt the border, you see? All done original. Also inside, we reweave it originally, we put wool, so the rug keep the value. Okay, from this side. See, all this from here to here, we rebuilt it originally.
به این عاشق نکن بی‌اعتنایی دل من عمری دور تو گشته دیگه کارم از این حرفا گذشته یه دل دارم که دل دار شمایی به این عاشق نکن بی‌اعتنایی دل من عمری دور تو گشته دیگه کارم از این حرفا گذشته شمایی به این عاشق نکن بی‌اعتنایی دل من عمری دور تو گشت